Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to send Ethereum from Bitmart to your Arculus wallet in 2025. If you're into crypto, you know how important it is to move your assets securely, especially with all the updates in the blockchain space. This step-by-step guide will make it easy and straightforward, so let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have your Bitmart account set up and verified. Log in to your Bitmart dashboard. That's where all the action happens. Once you're in, navigate to the Wallets or Assets section and find your Ethereum balance. It's usually listed under your main holdings, so click on Ethereum to select it. Next, look for the Withdraw or Transfer Out option. This is your gateway to moving funds. Before you proceed, double-check that you're on the correct network. For Ethereum, that means the Ethereum mainnet. Now, enter the wallet address from your Arculus wallet. Pro tip: always copy and paste the address directly from your Arculus app to avoid any typos, which could lead to lost funds. After that, specify the amount of Ethereum you want to send. Remember, you'll need to account for network fees, often called gas fees, so don't forget to leave a little extra if your balance is tight. Once everything looks good, hit Confirm and enable any two-factor authentication, 2FA, if prompted. This adds an extra layer of security. Trust me, it's worth it. Now, sit tight. Transactions can take a few minutes to a couple of hours, depending on network congestion. Head over to your Arculus wallet app and keep an eye out for the incoming transfer. Once it shows up, you're all set. Your Ethereum is safely in your hardware wallet. A quick word of caution: always verify addresses and never share your private keys. If you're new to this, start with a small amount to test the waters. Thanks for watching. If this helped you out, give this video a like, subscribe for more crypto tutorials, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any updates. See you in the next one.